Hey all, I'm going to teach you how to make a simple hair gloss today. I'm going to use herbs like amla powder, ashwagandha, what's this one called again? Turmeric powder, and some, ashwagandha powder. I'm going to use bentonite clay or Aztec clay. I'm also going to use honey, Moringa powder. That's the one you see in the jar, and some warm water, and of course a bowl to mix everything in, and the warm water, not hot water. Okay, so we're going to start with a few spoonfuls of the bentonite clay. You want to use clay from time to time to remove toxins um, from your hair, cleanse your hair and your scalp, and all of the herbs that I'm going to use in this hair gloss is also beneficial for my scalp as well. So not just for my hair. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add all my herbs. I'm not using a lot of the moringa because um, I am, however, going to use like 3 spoonfuls of the turmeric powder. Um, that's because that's how I prefer it. In the past, I would just do my hair masks with just turmeric and hair conditioner, but it was good. It was good, but I just wanted to leave out the conditioner, and so I came up with this one. But the turmeric, it does stain your nails in your hand, so you might want to go ahead and just use maybe like a spoonful of that. So the reason why I chose for these 3 herbs to use in my hair gloss is because all 3 of them are very beneficial for the hair and also for the skin, because I won't only use it on my hair but also on my skin, on my face. Um, Ashwagandha, for example, it has a lot of benefits for the hair that you can find when searching on the internet. This herb strengthens hair root and prevents hair loss, and it also prevents graying and much more. Turmeric aids in hair loss, thinning hair, dandruff prevention, scalp problems such as fungals and eczema. Turmeric is beneficial for hair and skin, so that's why I will use hair gloss for my hair, but also on my face. Um, then we have the Moringa powder. This one also has a lot of benefits for both skin and hair, because it's jam packed with loads of vitamins. It benefits hair growth, it prevents hair loss, and it treats skin disorders and beautifies the skin. So, why not use all of them all together? One of the key ingredients in this hair gloss, which makes it a hair gloss, is oil. So you want to go ahead and use your hair and your skin's favorite oil. To me, this is the Atalaya Maripa oil, and both my hair and my skin love this oil, and that's why I chose it. You can go ahead and add whichever oil you like, but for me, this is it. Now I'm just going to add my water. Add as much water as you think is enough. I didn't measure anything except for the spoonfuls of herbs and clay that I used. Just add enough water, make a paste, a thick paste. It shouldn't be runny, otherwise it will be way too messy. So go ahead and whisk it. Do not have that much patience. So here comes the stick blender. So go ahead and do your thing, stick blend it until you have a smooth paste, or whip it up until you have a smooth paste. It should look something like this. Look at how beautiful and glossy that looks. That's what you want on your hair, and this is going to make your hair feel so soft. And of course, the added nutrition, honey, your hair needs it. Now, if you want to go ahead and be fancy and add extra herbs and things, other things like maybe you want to add aloe gel, you want to add maybe chia seed gel or flaxseed gel or anything else that's super healthy for your hair and it will strengthen your hair, go ahead and add that. Just make sure it's not going to be stuck on your hair. So this is what my paste look like. You want to go ahead and just apply it on your hair just as it is. It's nothing special. Just slap it on your hair, coat all your hair strands, and make sure you get it on your scalp as well, because both it remember the herbs and even the clay, all are good for both your hair and your scalp. So slap it on your hair and rub some on your scalp.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, you, eat them. King skin. And out to the RMO place. Let's get
I put my trust in you, cause you give me comfort. You know the man that you should like, and you know how to deliver. On my yaka, cancel cause when I see the way you die.
And this is my hair all coated with my hair gloss, and whatever's left I am going to put that on my face and kind of like scrub my face a little bit, and that's it.
Confidence I get in you, confidence I get. There's a confidence I get in you, confidence I get. There's a confidence I get in you, confidence I get. There's a confidence I get in you, confidence I get.
You provide with no delays, no delays, no delays, yeah. You supply when no one else can, yeah. Baba, I put my confidence in you, and all my life I will be trusting you. Baba, I put my confidence in you, and all my life I will be trusting in you. Made me everything that I wanna be. With you, I'll be. And there's no place that I'd rather be, cause you provide with no delays, no delays, no delays, yeah. You supply when no one else can.
My hair really feels so soft, and okay, it looks like it's matted or locked or whatever, but that's just because I still need to detangle it, take it out of this twist and detangle it, but that's not going to be like a big issue. But my hair is really soft, like really soft. The only mistake I made, since this was my first time using the moringa and the other herbs in this setting, like in a hair mask or hair gloss, I shouldn't have left my hair in the twist. I should have, while washing my hair out, I should have untwisted my hair and then let the water run through my hair strands, so all the residue could wash out. So, but because I didn't do that, my hair was in twist and it's looking it's looking like matted. So all the herbs residue has just are now stuck. A lot of the pulps and residue from the herbs are now stuck in my hair. So I have to wash it out again. um you can't really see it because my camera isn't that great, but you can see them. It's noticeable. So that's one mistake I made. In the past, I would just use the what's it called again, the yellow powder, that one. I would use it mixed with conditioner, and then that's what I would use as hair mask. I love that. And that one was easy to wash out, but with the herbs in the mixture, then you have the pulps. So, well, this is how you learn. Now I know for the next time that I need to untwist my hair, and then, yeah. So that was my lesson for today, but I'm so happy with my hair gloss. This is a step I am so lazy to do, but today I did it because I just thought that my hair really needed it. Yeah, my hair really needed the love, the attention. So I'm going to unravel my twist and then detangle my hair, and then I'll wash it. I'll do a final rinse. This is just extra because I don't know.